Hi, my name is Olivia Matthews, National Market Manager for Marine at Omnova. We are the vinyl partners for Syntec Industries. In front of me, you will see our newest addition to our Nautolex line called Beacon. This product has a custom emboss derived from a hand-woven textile and features a tip print metallic ink that gives the illusion of great depth and dimension. The product is also produced with our industry-leading Pre-Fixx, which allows the product to have more cleanability and durability as well as chemical resistance. This product features 12 colors ranging from sophisticated neutrals to elegant accents. If you would like to request more information or any sampling, please reach out to your Syntec representative. Thank you.